A friend asked me something last week that actually made me think. If you were paying for Envato with your own money, would you keep the subscription? Not, is it good? Not, does it have lots of assets? Just, would you actually keep paying every month? So I opened my account and looked at what I downloaded over the last few weeks. And honestly, the answer wasn't as obvious as I expected. Some days I downloaded 10 different things. A music track for YouTube, a Premiere Pro template, a couple of icons, some stock footage. It felt like I was getting incredible value. Then there were weeks where I didn't download a single file. 0. That's when I realized something. The real question isn't whether Envato has good assets. It definitely does. The real question is whether you create enough content to justify the subscription. One thing I genuinely liked was how much time it saved me. Instead of opening 3 or 4 different stock websites, I could usually find what I needed in one place. That doesn't sound like a big deal until you're working on a deadline. 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there, it adds up. But I also noticed a bad habit. Because downloads felt free, I started grabbing things I didn't actually need. Fonts I'd never used, motion graphics that stayed in a folder, music tracks I completely forgot about. Unlimited downloads can make you less selective. I wasn't saving time anymore. I was creating digital clutter. If you're a YouTuber posting several videos every week, a freelancer delivering client work, or an agency creating content every day, I honestly think Envato makes a lot of sense. You'll probably recover the subscription cost just from the time you save. But if you upload one video every month, or only need a few graphics occasionally, I'd think twice before subscribing. So here's where I landed after using it. Envato isn't one of those tools that magically makes your content better. It simply removes friction. You spend less time hunting for assets and more time actually creating. For me, that's the biggest benefit. Not unlimited downloads, not fancy templates, just fewer interruptions while working. And if your business depends on creating content consistently, that alone can be worth paying for. That's my experience. Hopefully it helps you decide before you spend your own money. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.